Hello, hello. Yeah. For some reason, I tried to open the live stream and it was not working, but I think that now we're good. Let me check here just to confirm. Okay, now I think we're live. So, um, let me bring this back here. All right. Yesterday there was no live stream. I was a little bit busy. Um, but today is another live stream day, so yeah, let me also check other stuff here. Um, all right. Let me open this up. I hope the live stream connection is not bad, but I don't know. Let me edit this. Yeah, I think yeah, we have lots of frame loss. Maybe I have to change my room again, bro. Yeah, I don't want to do this, but internet connection is so bad right now. All right, so yeah, I think I'll have to restart the live stream. I mean, I can do this with this poor connection. Maybe it will stabilize. Yeah, apparently it's stabilized, but I don't know. Okay, so we had some frame loss at the beginning, but I think that it's stable now. Let me check the audio quality here. Hello? I think this is better. I think the microphone I was using was a bad one. Let me test it again here. Right, yeah. Now it's connected to the MacBook microphone. I think the quality is better overall. My hair is like pretty bad today. I'm trying to uh, remove this bump here, but it stays here for some reason. So I just gotta get used to it. But yeah, anyways, let's find a chill music for us. Um, work music. Okay, this one sounds good. Of course, we have some ads, right? All right, let me enable the music here. I think we could decrease the volume a bit, just so it's um, not too loud. All right, I think the quality of the live stream is good. We had some frame loss at the beginning, but I think it's stabilized. And that's pretty good. I mean, I don't want to have to change my room. Because this right now it's my room, and I prefer to have everything at one place. It's much better. Yeah, but anyways, let's
AI can generate
start.
insanely realistic.
Oh, yeah. Let's start. So the plan for today, I want to do something different. Because I usually tend to, I usually tend to do my project while I'm doing other stuff. So for today, I tried to do something different. I've set this Pomodoro timer here. So it's basically, yeah, I think 25 minutes is good, right? Yeah, so 25 minutes I'll focus on other stuff I have to do. And then on the break, um, yeah, that's the problem. I want to have like a different. This one already comes with lo-fi. That's interesting. All right. Why don't we have a? Yeah, we need a dark theme for this. Actually, I want to. Yeah, this is will be something cool, right? Um, Let me open it up here. I think it would be nice if we have in our portfolio website a Pomodoro for us. A new app that's a Pomodoro timer, and we could use it as we want. Because since our portfolio is basically a system on its own, I think it would be nice to add some features, some congregated features that will be useful even for me. But yeah, I think that for today, um, we could just use this regular Boma focus here. So, okay, I want to configure the regular time. Let's put 20 minutes, then 20 minutes break. Wait. Yeah, so 20 minutes break and then 20 minutes long break. So there's no long break at all. It's short break and long break is the same. Auto start. I think auto start is good. Auto start breaks. Actually, I think it's good. Yeah, I think it's good to receive an alarm, right? So I could remind to just change what I'm doing. Good. So let's start with the Pomodoro. Let me close this ad. Okay, so I think, yeah, I'm just checking the drops here of the connection. It dropped a little bit, but it's stable again. But yeah, I need to pay attention to this because, yeah, maybe you have to go to another room. But anyways, so let's start. So that's the plan, right? 20 minutes I will do other stuff that I need to do for today. Short break, we'll focus on our portfolio. We'll keep working on the to-do list that we have here. And then after 20 minutes, go back and forth, and that's the overall plan. All right. So let me let me go to Twitch. Yeah, I just want to check here. Alright, things look good. So let's start, let's focus. See you guys in 20 minutes then. Allow it, clicking on the bell. Okay, so let's allow it for now. Alright, so let's work on other stuff here. Yeah, I need to apply some eye drops here. Working with screens is sometimes um, really tiring for the eyes. Right, yeah, so we're almost close to this session here. Yeah, just finishing some stuff. Yeah, I'm doing this because I believe that having this context switch every time, sometimes when programming is bad, we feel very overwhelmed with lots of things you need to think on, and you sometimes lose the track. So that's why I'm doing this. I feel like this is a little bit better. Alright, so time to do some code review here. Um, Alright, so it finished. I still have to. That's why this is good. I still have some stuff to finish here. I just need to finish my line of thought, and then we'll start with the portfolio. Alright. I'm just also some testing some stuff here, checking if it looks good. Alright, so it's here. I could add, and then I could edit anything I want. if I edit this. All right, this sounds pretty good, I believe. All right, so let's start on this. So So yeah, I still have some stuff in progress, but let's start and then we could go back when I finish this. All right, so let's see what we have for this. We already did lots of progress last time. I think it was on Tuesday, probably. Yeah, so we have this right here. This right here looks pretty good. On the live version, it's also pretty good. Um, so yeah, I really like this idea of implementing a. So let me add here for future. Implement a Pomodoro app. That would be pretty good. And also, I think that maybe we could also add other types of app, like implement a calculator app. Calculator app would be pretty damn useful, you know. But yeah, we need to focus on the MVP, you know, the minimal stuff that will make this looks good and great, and that will make this act as a portfolio, right? Because we need to be able to check, you know, my LinkedIn for LinkedIn stuff. I need to be able to check GitHub for, you know, GitHub stuff. So um, this is the kind of stuff that's more important considering that we're doing a portfolio project. Okay. Yeah, I'm checking some other stuff here. Oh, good. So, yeah, as I mentioned, solving some stuff. The Cloud Sonnet is over, so we'll probably need to use Gemini Flash and Gemini 3 Pro. I think this is good. I think it's um, yeah. Let me just All right. So make the settings background opacity lower so we can see background opacity. Yeah, I don't know what this is about. I think that maybe it's yeah, this background here, I think this is finished. Yeah. Increase the window border radius to match the rest of the application. Alright, so I think that makes sense. Also, I feel like maybe we should have a glass box here too. That will make like this conversates better with this. So what I would say is that so it's window, index components window. Here we have the window, it's a div. Here we have the header. I think this is header is the important part. Like if I comment this out, wait, why can I change this? It's not comment slash to comment out. I can write stuff, yeah, but commenting out is not working for some reason. All right, it worked. Now let's save, and yeah, as you can see, it's on window header. So I don't know what's happening, bro. All right, so here, I want to say that this is window components. So for window header component, we want to actually I can do this myself. Here we are returning div. Let me update this to use box. Let's import the box component. Yeah, AI is making us so lazy. So let's see what happened if I change this to a box component. All right, so there's no divider right now, which looks kind of cool. It's not bad, but I want to give this a variant glass. I think glass is good. Yeah, glass variant. Yeah, so this is good. I think I want to have a blur here. Yeah, the only problem is that for some reason this glass, it's applying some border radius that I don't want it to have. So let me click on this. Yeah, so let me, here I have the border. Where is the border radius? Yeah, it's from the border, the box container. Yeah, if I remove it, then it will. Okay, it looks like this. But then the feeling is that we don't have any blur at all, you know. I don't know if this looks good, honestly. I feel like it's not a good variant. Let me try another type of variant. Let me try the transparent. I've never used this variant, I believe. Okay. Not that bad, honestly, but you know. Yeah, let me try the class again. Yeah, let me revert all of the changes. Yeah, first of all, let's increase the border radius. Okay, so this is on window manager. No, it's actually on window border radius. Let's use the LG here. So this is dot window. So here instead of MD, let's use the LG. Good. Yeah, so I think this looks much better, you know. Look at this, it matches this, you know. It's a better border radius for sure. All good. So this looks good. Let me turn on the air conditioner here because my computer is frying, and this is the good side of being in a room with the air conditioner, you know. Okay, so this looks good. Also, something that I was wondering here. Yeah, maybe. Let me change it to dark. Yeah, this looks better right now. I think that border radius right here. So I think we could also work on improving this. That, yeah, let me, this name right here, title and all this stuff, I don't know if this makes sense, you know. Yeah, that's what I'm wondering here. Also, other thing that I would like to improve, like when we have this, we have lots of empty space. So I think I want to make this box occupy all the width, you know. So this is something we could work on also. I think this